Hello there, so today I'm going to finally show you how to actually enable chat and voice chat communications for Siege. It's pretty simple. Let me show you. Now, the preferred way of doing it, which is like universally works best and you don't need your password for, is actually to use Steam. If you have bought the game on Steam, this is the way you want to do it, and I'm going to show you that. So first I'll open up Steam, then go to the game and click play. You can also double click it here. It doesn't matter how you do it, just I recommend it via Steam in case you forgot your password or can't reset it. And this method, you don't need to have your password ready in case you're streaming or whatever. You can use any way to access the Ubisoft Connect. I'm going to show you a few ways to do it. The easiest one and most universal one, Shift F2. It will open up it immediately. You can press R to open up the squad panel, as it says right here, which you can also do by clicking it. And you'll see at the bottom where it says invite friends to play from Ubisoft Connect. You can press that, or even Ubisoft Connect invites. Now the last one is actually pressing the cog wheel here, where normally you go to options. Just go down 2 more options, you'll see Ubisoft Connect. Press that, and here we are again. Either way how you do it, it's going to work. I recommend Shift F2. You want to go to versus account management. This is nearly at the bottom, and inside account management you'll see this. I'm going to censor this because I don't want to show you more information, but press on the security and communication tab, and you'll see it says to access other privacy and communication features, visit account.ubisoft.com/privacy-and-communication. I'm saying that and showing you this so you can type it out in your browser if you want to, or inside the browser here, which is right here. But you can click on the link. In this case, I'm logged in. I think I have a clip from yesterday where I went in here just to check if they've changed it, and I was initially logged out. What you can do is just click back. I don't know if refreshing will work, but click back and you can see it goes to the same page. Actually log in. If it still doesn't log you in, then you have to use your password, but try that a couple of times to refresh the page. So for now it's in Privacy Center and inside of Social Preferences, and just go down to the bottom. For some reason inside the bottom I thought it was going to be the one at the top, but that's his friend request and the profile visibility, which you don't have to change at all. You can have whatever you want, but the one in this case we're going to change text and voice chat. Decide who can text and voice chat with you. So click on this and you should say friends of friends. So this is how it looked for me. Just like whatever one you want, but I recommend selecting everyone and then click save, and then you can close the page. Now let me show you the new version. So click check it out, and here we are. You can also leave it right here, but it's the same thing. So just go to Social Preferences inside of Privacy Center, and the same thing here. Just go at the bottom, which is kind of annoying because it's the first thing that comes up. Press the top one, which is everyone. That's what I recommend. Friends of friends, I mean, that's really rare that happens, and it doesn't even show you an icon or a symbol who's friends of friends, so you never know. So the only way to fix this situation is to add as many people as you can and expect them to have done the same, and so you have to add so many people, which most people don't want to do. It's a stupid thing and it's a stupid solution. For me, it was friends of friends, but they claim the default is everyone, which is not true anymore. And this can be changed anytime from the account management website. Yeah, clearly. Open your preferred web browser. And then in the first tab, you type Ubisoft and then .com and press enter. And you'll see on the top right here, click on the profile. Then the authentication pop-up will appear. Then just fill in the details. And then click login. Wait for it to load. And then click on the profile here again. And then go down to account management. Click on that. Now we can close the previous tab. Now scroll all the way down here, or press the N key on your keyboard, and then click on this box here. For me it's on Swedish here. I'm going to change it to English, which is on the top for me, and just click US. And then we're going to scroll up or press the home key, and you can see Privacy Center is right here, but it's also here. But also if you check out the new site, it's right here. Once they change it, and then this is how it looks on the new site. Just press everyone and then click apply. You do not need to change these for this to take effect. Go to Social Preferences and then scroll down to the bottom, and you can see text voice chat. And now I recommend you logging out, at least from the website. And unfortunately, if you're using the Ubisoft Connect launcher, it will just open up your default browser. So yeah, you either do in-game browser via the Ubisoft Connect overlay, but just in case, I will show you the method how to do it via the Ubisoft Connect launcher. Let's get into it. Double click on Ubisoft Connect here, of course, and then you basically click on your account here and then account management, and then you go to privacy and communication, but it will link you to their site. So you have to click on their site, then social preferences, then at the bottom, and change it from any of the other options to everyone. Then save, then you can log out, or just close the page if you want to remain logged in. Thanks for watching. If this helped, leave a like so I know. I like the video so it can reach more people. Share it to anyone who's running into this issue. I try to keep it short and helpful, and hopefully it makes things easier. I didn't cover the Ubisoft launcher method. But for now, have a great day.